my beasts. I love you. I miss you. How are you? Welcome to my channel. I'm gonna dive in on 3 tips today on how to simply lose weight. Let's add in habits that are actually going to stick in your routine with ease. Okay, so tip 1, just make sure you are getting in fruits and vegetables on a daily. Not every Thursday and Monday. Okay, we want to do it on a regular regimen to help optimize the body, right? Clear the skin, help the brain, let the organs function properly, let your digestive system work very well. Nobody sticks to that on a regimen every single day. Protein and carbohydrates are super easy to get into your diet. It's like, of course, you can easily grab a potato, rice, and pasta, you know, any type of chicken or fish, eggs, what have you. But fruits and vegetables, if you actually take note on if you are incorporating that every day, most of you, no offense, most of you probably are not. Very simple way to add in fruits and vegetables, especially if you're not getting them in, is put it in a smoothie and blend that bitch. I pile in spinach, fruit, banana, protein powder, almond milk, or whatever you want, and just pile it in with all the beautiful berries and antioxidants and nutrients and vitamins, and chug that bad boy down. It is so easy to do, yet so many people do not do it. So tip number 1 is just make sure you are getting in fruits and vegetables on a daily. So make sure we do that. Number 2, go for a daily walk. Not everybody has time to exercise, nor does everybody want to exercise. And guess what? You do not have to exercise to lose weight. Now, are there benefits with exercise? Absolutely. And I love exercise, right? And there are many beautiful things that it offers. However, movement gets the blood flowing, their circulation going, and it will aid in overall health and wellness, okay? So getting in those steps, just moving around in the morning 10 minutes, in the evening for another 10 minutes, boom, bam, thank you, ma'am, you've already done it, okay? So just go for a walk if you guys are not one to want to lift a weight or do much resistance training. I just want to incorporate easy things to add into their daily regimen. So keep it simple, keep it sustainable, because we want it to be a lifestyle. You do wear one of those Apple Watches. A great way to take into account your steps is making sure you're getting in roughly about 9K to 10K steps a day. That is like awesome possum. I mean, you're rocking it. If you can't get that, it doesn't matter. Just move your body, okay? Move the body. Number 3, moving on. Prioritize your sleep. I do not think that people understand how beneficial and how much of a role sleep plays in weight loss. You are not being able to get optimal sleep and really get those 8 or 9 hours uninterrupted, your hormones are gonna go crazy. Okay, you're gonna start feeling your cortisol level will go up, your ghrelin will go up, which means that's the chemical release when you start craving food, and that will raise, and you will start to want all the food all the time if you're not getting optimal sleep. Stress, we all know that stress causes a plethora of health issues. But if you're stressed out and your cortisol level is raised, guess what cannot cohabitate with cortisol? Fat burning. So you can't burn fat. At the same time, cortisol level is here. So you guys, what does that tell you? Sleeping will allow your cortisol level to come down. Okay? That's when we relax, repair, rebuild, and balance out those hormones. So make sure that we are trying to get in that sleep. What are some great ways to make sure that we optimize our sleep? Number 1, try not to eat right before bed. Now, I'm not talking about whether or not eating before bed is good or not for weight loss. Very controversial, right? Oh, don't eat before bed, you'll gain weight. No, because if you're eating in a calorie deficit, you're not gonna get fat just because you eat right before bed. However, eating right before bed interrupts your sleep, okay? Because now your stomach and your acids and everything starts working, and it's harder for you to go to sleep. Your insulin level spikes up, and you don't get that optimal sleep, allowing you to really get into that deep REM and get your hormones functioning properly. That's where hindering your weight loss will come into play. Second, make sure your room is cold and dark. That will help you get into that cozy sleep mode and want to fall asleep. Make sure the windows are dark. Don't have light shining in. If you do, wear a mask. I wear a silk mask, and I don't know how I did not get a silk mask earlier in my life. Okay, have some white noise. I love to have a huge fan in my room. It is a must. I don't like hearing things dropping or somebody in the other room or the dog, walking around with his little feet on the wood floor. No, I don't want to hear it. Hopefully those tips will really help. Simplicity is what consistency comes to. In order for anything to be consistent, it has to be easy and attainable. So remember that when you are doing any type of goal or adding any new habit in your life, that is key. Making sure it can easily be implemented so you're not stressed out about it. Anything that we're adding into our life, we want to enhance it, right? We want to enhance our life, not hinder it. So make sure that we're doing all the right things. And I know you guys will do all the right things. Sometimes we just need a little nudge, a little reminder. Love you. Be sure to comment down below, subscribe, check out the other platforms, and say hello to your girl.